Down from the mountains, so lively and free, ran a little stream as fast as can be. It zigged and it zagged through the valley so wide. Catch me if you can, it said with pride. It tickled the rocks and it kissed the trees, danced with the wind and raced past the bees. The sun cheered on with a golden beam. Go little racer, you're quite the stream. Through fields of flowers and meadows so green, the ocean was waiting so grand and serene. Hold on, dear ocean, I'm coming to you. The stream was excited, the sky was so blue. At last it arrived with a splash and a cheer. The ocean hugged it, you're finally here. Together they sparkled, together they gleamed, and that's the story of the racing stream.